In this exercise, you'll edit the parameters at several corridor sections. You'll edit a section in two ways. First, you'll modify a subassembly parameter at a single station, which will override the subassembly settings for that station only. Second, you'll modify a subassembly parameter and then apply the modification to a range of stations. This exercise continues from viewing corridor sections. So let's go ahead and modify subassembly properties for a single station. Note that this exercise uses the corridor-4A drawing from the previous exercise. We'll start off by panning over to our corridor in our top view and then going over to our Modify Corridor Sections panel. Select Section Editor and then we get our grid. Go ahead and navigate to Station 775. Next, within the Zoom to, we're going to zoom to a subassembly and we're going to select lane right. Then click OK. Once we get this view, go ahead and select Parameter Editor. Then pops up our editor. We'll move this off to the side. Within the Corridor Parameters dialog box, we have our Assembly-1 tree, and then we have several groups. If we collapse these down, we can see things a little bit better. What we want to focus on is lane right. Go ahead and expand that. You'll notice that identical values show up within these two columns, the design value and the value column. The design value column displays the value that was specified when the subassembly was added to the assembly. The value column displays the actual value of the subassembly at the current station. In the following steps, you'll override the design value at the current station and then examine the results. Go ahead and scroll down until you get to the width value. It's currently set to 12. We're going to change it to 36. Then press Enter. Notice that the Override checkbox is now set to True, which indicates that the design value has been overridden at this station. Go ahead and go forward a few stations and watch this particular area right here that we just changed. You'll notice that it goes back to 12 feet. So the lane subassembly that's displayed in the section view updates in width to reflect the width at the current station.